Okay, so for today's lesson, we are multiplying polynomials. So let's figure out what is a polynomial. Poly means many, and then, we have our monomials that we were dealing with, which is like a term. So we have many terms or many monomials. But what you want to know is that polynomials are separated by addition or subtraction. So as soon as you see a plus or a minus, you know you've got a polynomial. So for example, if I have 3x plus 4, that's a polynomial. If I have 5x squared minus 3xy plus 6, that's a polynomial. Non-examples, so these are not polynomials, would just be like 3x. That's a monomial. There's no plus or minus. Negative 5ab squared c to the third d e f. It doesn't matter how long it is. It doesn't matter that it's negative, okay? That's still a monomial. That's one term. So when you have the pluses or minuses separating two monomials, that's a polynomial. Next slide, I'm going to show you how to multiply them. So when you multiply a polynomial, we've done this before. It's very similar to multiplying monomials. So your first step is you're going to multiply the coefficients. Okay, those are the big numbers, the numbers in front of your variables. And then you're going to add your exponents. You don't actually multiply exponents. When you're multiplying, you add them together. So what am I talking about? Well, we're going to distribute this 4a. So first I'm going to multiply coefficient times coefficient. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Now I'm going to add my exponents. If you don't see the exponent, it's a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Put my plus sign because there's a plus sign. 4 this time times 2 is 8. And then there's just 1a, so I don't have to add any exponents. I'm done. So coefficient times coefficient, and then exponent plus exponent. And that's it.